Today we are going to cover the first lesson of mathematics of second class. Okay, that to term one. See the cover page. It's very attractive, right? Looking very attractive. See a dog is flying a aeroplane kind of thing, right? And wearing a helmet. Very funny. And this has and the mathematics thing is attached to the plane. Okay, and a tree is here and with numbers 1 to 10. Hmm? Some of them are repeated. A house with a clock, wall clock, okay, outside, that too outside, and rail engine, okay, sorry, in rail engine with bogies attached. Fine. This is index page, and you have six lessons in term one, I guess. Oh, why we went to 122? I don't know, but let's go back. Let's go back. Fine, 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 fine. Up to here. See, there are only six lessons in term 1. Okay, the first lesson or unit 1 is geometry. Red carpet welcomes you. School. Count number of squares, rectangles, triangle and circles in the red carpet above and write their number. That you can do, I think, but let me give an example. 1 2 3 4. Okay, 4 4 squares, right? 4 squares. Okay, where to write? Let me get a rectangle so that I'll get 4. Fine, but the size is very huge, right? Okay, fine. Select it, reduce the size. Fine, right? Okay, 4. Okay. Similarly, you count all these things and write it here. Okay. Pile up the given objects and observe the change in their shapes. Oh. If you place all these things, it looks like what? How it looks like? See how it's look like. This one also. This one looks like cube, na? If the edges are of same size, then it is cube. Otherwise it is not cube. Okay. This one also. Introduction to three-dimensional shapes. That is first one. Animals build a palace for their king, the lion. Each of them brought an item for the palace. Observe the items brought by them. Okay, what are the keywords here? Cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone, sphere. Okay, see, elephant is carrying a log. Okay, this guy is carrying a stick. And this one is carrying a bucket. Zebra is carrying a bucket. Hmm? Likewise, everything is carrying each of these items only, right? Match the items brought by the animal as seen in the above picture. One is done for you. Okay, this one is by bear, right? Yeah, right. This one is by donkey. Where is donkey? This one is donkey. Okay, that I can do it for you. Donkey belongs to donkey. Okay, it's not straight. Okay, it's not straight. What is the matter? Okay, donkey. And this one is carried by this one. Otherwise, this one, zebra. zebra, like this. Okay, log is carried by elephant. Okay, elephant. This one is carried by giraffe, right? Giraffe. This one is carried by this guy. Okay, this one is carried by this cute little thing. Okay, ah, mule. See the rabbit. Rabbit is carrying this thing, right? Okay, I did it everything for you. Hmm? Now you need to know which one is cube, which one is cuboid, which one is cylinder, which one is cone, which one is sphere. Okay, this is cube. Hmm? Hmm. This one is cylinder. Shape is cylinder. This part is cone. Hmm. Okay. Sphere. The following objects are in the shape of cube. Right. This is cube. This is how we will draw a cube. The following objects are in the shape of cuboid. Okay. When length, this width, both are equal, then it is cube. Okay. If they are not same, then it becomes cuboid. Okay. Cuboid, cuboid, cuboid. So this is cuboid. This side, every side is a rectangle for a cuboid. This one is cuboid. This one is also cuboid. This one, this one. Okay. Cuboid. Practice. Identify the cube and cuboid shaped objects and write A for cube, B for cuboid inside the box given below. Okay, that we will do. We will write A first and we will see where it belongs. Here it belongs. Okay, and then we will write again A. This is also cuboid. Hmm? Sorry, this is also cube. This one is cuboid. This one is cuboid. Length and breadth are not equal, so that is called cuboid. Okay, B for cuboid, right? Color the cube shape red and cuboid shape green. Now that you can do, right? Cylinder. All these are cylinder. Shape is cylinder. This one is cylinder, I think you know. But the shape is also called cylinder. Cylindrical, right? This is how we will represent a cylinder. Cone. These objects are in the shape of cone. Okay. This is how we will represent a cone. Sphere. Yeah, this one is sphere. Rounded object. Rounded 3D object is a sphere, and this is how we will represent a sphere. Identify the cylinder, cone, sphere shaped objects and write 1 for cylinder, 2 for cone, 3 for sphere. Okay, 1 for cylinder. First write 1. See where is this shape? Yeah, this is cylinder, right? 2 for cone. Okay, now write cone. Write 2 and place it here in the cone. Okay, again one more cone is there. This is also conical. Third one sphere. Okay, write 3. Hmm? This is also sphere, and this one also. The first one is also a sphere. Okay, and this one, cylinder only, cylindrical shape, right? Into cylindrical shape, cylinder only. Otherwise, you look there. See, all these are cylinders. Fine. Then that is cylinder means one only, right? So this one is 1 only. Try this. Match the objects with their shapes and names of the shapes. Oh, difficult thing, huh? See this one, both are cylinder, and this one is conical, right? This one, both leads to cone, and this one is cube. This one, cube. So this one will go here, and this one looks like cuboid, right? Cuboid. This one also cuboid. This is cuboid. Okay, like this. You have to go like this, and there must be an arrow at the end. Okay, arrow also you place, man. And this is yes, you're right. Spear only. Okay, you place arrow here also. Fine. The names of the objects are given in the boxes. Observe the shapes of the given objects. Write them in an empty square matching each object. Sphere, cone, cube, cylinder, cuboid. Dice is in the form of cube, right? So write CUB. Okay. This is cone, CONE. This one sphere, SPHERE. This one cuboid, CUBOID. And this one cylinder, CYLINDER. Okay. Pleasure time. Help your toy friends to reach their houses. You need to find the path for the toy friends. This guy has to go here. This color you have to match the color, right? So he is starting from here. Which path he has to take? He has to take this path only. He has to go like this, and then from here like this, and from here to here like this. Okay. Similarly, you can find for the rest of the toy friends. Okay, friends. Identification of 2D shapes and 3D objects. Okay, if you place 3D object, okay, on a table, okay, if you place a torchlight there, you can see the their reflection in the light, right? This reflection is going to be 2D. Okay, so cone will reflect like a, in 2D it will reflect like a triangle. Cube, right, square. This one rectangle. Sphere, round. Okay, this is cylinder in rectangle. Take an ink pad, press an eraser on the ink pad, remove the eraser, press it on the white paper and see the 2D impression. Sharpener also rectangle. Dice dice is cube structure actually. So what you can look is square. Bead, sphere. Bead is in the form of sphere. Then you can see round. And the outline of the object using pencil. Remove the objects and write the names and the shapes formed. If you draw the outline, you'll find a rectangle, right? Here you will find a square. Okay, this one round. Take a triangle, rectangle, circle, shaped color papers, paste it firmly with a stick and rotate the stick. Observe the 3D figures formed from 2D shape. Oh, nice idea. These activities we have to do during your rest time. Okay, leisure time, pleasure time. Let us join the dots and draw the shapes like cubes, cuboid, cone, and cylinder. Okay. Hmm. How to proceed for the cube? This way you have to go. Okay. This is for cuboid, and this one is for cone. This one for cylinder. Oh, we completed lesson number 1 successfully. Okay. Thank you guys.